quartz crystal glows again this time, showing a mysterious jungle where the trees whisper secrets. Adventure calls, and I am ready to explore. With the crystal in hand, Leo leaps into a portal of living vines, entering the enchanted jungle of whispers. The jungle comes alive. The trees whisper warnings of a hidden treasure, but only the kindest heart can find it. Leo meets the jungle's guardian, the mystical Jaguar. To pass, he must share a secret of his own. Leo's honesty earns him the jungle's gift, a golden orchid that can heal any wound. With the orchid's power, Leo returns home, knowing nature's secrets are always listening. Where will the orchid lead Leo next? Dive into Leo and the Stormborn, where ocean mysteries await.